Yeah, they call it arrogance. Yeah, I call it confidence. I know what I bring to the table, more than you'll ever be able to handle or understand. I'm that man, I'm that plan. I put in the work, I paid my dues. I've won and I lost, I've won and I've lose. But through it all, I've stood tall. I've never been afraid to fall. Some call it arrogance, I call it confidence, 'cause I earn every bit of it. I work for every hit. I didn't get here by accident, I didn't get here by accident. I got here on my own, I got here on my throne. Confidence, yeah, I got it. Swagger, yeah, I brought it. You can love it or leave it, but you better believe it. I'm that guy, and I ain't gonna lie. Confidence running through my veins. I'm that whenever and with that plan, doing everything I can. I walk in the room and they notice, not 'cause I'm loud or I'm boasting, because I carry myself right, standing tall in the light. I speak my mind, I speak my truth. I've got nothing left to prove to anyone, not even you. I'm just being true. I've been through the fight, been through the rain, been through the joy, been through the pain, and I came out stronger, came out longer, came out better than ever. So when I walk with my head high, it's not an act, it's not a lie. It's just the result of living right, of fighting through the night. Confidence, yeah, I got it. Swagger, yeah, I brought it. You can love it or leave it, but you better believe it. I'm that guy, I ain't gonna lie. Confidence running through my veins. I'm that man with that plan, doing everything. Self-love ain't a crime, I take my time, being the best version of me for the whole world to see. I'm not perfect, I'm not close, but I'm the one I love the most. And that's not arrogance, that's just confidence.
Waking up to your face on the pillow next to mine. Sunlight streaming through the lace, everything feels fine. Your arms wrapped around my waist, pulling me in close. This is what they write about in poems and in prose. No rush, nowhere we need to be today. Just you, just love, just breathing in the same space. The world outside can't wait, the calls can go to voicemail. Right here's where I wanna be, right here's my holy grail. Sunday morning with you, coffee and conversations, nothing else to do. Sunday morning, so true, just lying here, me and you, watching the day unfold so slow. This is all I need to know. We talk about nothing and everything under the sun. Laugh at stupid jokes that we told a million times for fun. You kiss my forehead, I kiss your chin. We fall into a rhythm that only comes when you've been with someone long enough to be with them. The sheets are tangled, the pillows on the floor. We've been here for hours and still want more. Not of anything physical, just of this vibe, this peaceful, perfect Sunday vibe. One minute I'm up, next minute I'm down. Emotions spinning me all around. I don't know what I feel today. Everything just comes and goes away. I'm happy, then I'm sad. I'm good, then I'm bad. I'm loving and I'm leaving. I'm laughing and I'm grieving. Maybe it's the weather, maybe it's the pressure, maybe it's just me, maybe it's my chemistry. Out of balance, gotta sink, standing on the brink of losing my mind, of leaving my peace behind. Mood swings, they take me high, then leave me here to cry. Mood swings, they take control of my body and my soul. I'm just trying to ride the wave, find a way to behave, but it's hard when you don't know which way your feelings will go. I love you, then I push you away. I don't know what to say to make you understand that I need you to hold my hand. Through the ups and the downs, through the smiles and the frowns, I need you to stay. Even when I push away, it's not you, it's me, it's my own complexity. It's the chemicals in my brain driving me insane. It's the highs that feel so great and the lows that make me hate everything I am, everything I am. Mood swings, they take me high, they make me here to cry. Mood swings, they take control of my body and my soul. I'm just trying to ride the wave, find a way to behave, but it's hard when you don't know which way your feelings will go. Through the highs and the lows, only you truly knows the real me underneath. The mood swings and the grief. The person who lies you true, the person who's asking you to be patient, to be kind, to read between the lines. Mood swings, but I'm still here, still fighting, still loving, still here. Just ride with me, just stay with me. I'm still me
Come closer. Let me see you. Yeah. You walk in the room and time just stops, freezes in its track. Lace and silk, every curve, every moment I can't take back. Yeah. The confidence you carry, like you own the very air, makes me wanna drop to my knees and just stay there. Yeah. Baby, you're a masterpiece, a work of gallery art, and I wanna study every detail, memorize every part. The way the fabric hugs your skin, the shadows that it casts. I'm caught up in a moment that I pray forever lasts. In that lingerie, you take my breath away. Every thread, every lace, I'm amazed. In that lingerie, you don't have to say a single word. Your body's leading the way, leading me, leading us into the night. The way the moonlight hits you through the window pane makes me wanna write 1,000 songs, go insane with wanting you, with needing you, with craving your embrace. There's not a single inch of you I wouldn't wanna trace. Some women hide their beauty, cover up in doubt, but you wear yours like armor. There's no shadow of a doubt that you're the most beautiful thing I've ever laid my eyes upon. And I'm just grateful to be here, to be the one you put it on. That lingerie, you take my breath away. Every thread, every lace, I'm amazed. In that lingerie, you don't have to say a single word. Your body's leading the way, leading me, leading us, into the night. You don't need the silk, you don't need the lace. You're beautiful in every single space. But when you choose to dress up just for me, it's the greatest gift I'll ever receive. Take it off, leave it on. Either way, you're the one, my beautiful queen in lingerie or in dreams.
It's 3 a.m. and I'm alone, staring at my telephone. The cursor blinking, mocking me, reminding me of what I used to be. Before you left, before you went, before my heart got torn and rent into a million little pieces that my shaky hand still releases. My fingers tapping out the words that I know will only hurt. I miss you and I need you and I'm lying in the dirt. But I don't hit send, I don't let go, I hover on the line between what I want and what I know is better left behind. I wanna text you and say I miss you, but I know that I can't undo everything that we've been through. So I'll just sit here and miss you without telling you. I'll just sit here and bleed without you seeing me. I miss the way you say my name like it was something holy. I miss the way you hold me close, like you never let me go lonely. But I remember why we're done, I remember all the pain. I remember crying in the dark, waiting for your van. The good memories are tempting, they whisper in my ear. Just text him, just call him, just make the message clear. But the bad memories are louder, they scream and they shout. Don't you dare, don't you go back, don't you let them in, no doubt. I wanna text you and say I miss you, but I know that I can't undo everything that we've been through. So I'll just sit here and miss you without telling you. I'll just sit here and bleed without you seeing me bleed. So I put my phone away, put it on the other side of the room. Turn off the ringer, kill the sound, accept my impending doom. Of another sleepless night, another morning full of regret. But at least I didn't text you, at least I haven't yet, be it. Still miss you, but I won't text you. I won't. Good night. Good night.
Gucci on my feet, Louis on my chest. I've been working hard, I need to rest, but the grind don't stop, it never does. When you're trying to be the best, because the top is lonely, but it's also home. I've been climbing on my own. No handouts, no freebies, no favors, just hard work and good behavior. I came from nothing, now I'm something, and I ain't going back to nothing. I remember sleeping on the floor. I remember eating from the store. I remember when my pockets had nothing but linen, broken dreams. Now my pockets full of, so it seems. Designer everything. Look at me now. Remember when they said I'd never make it out. Designer dreams, designer life. Turn all my struggle into stripes. I'm living what I used to see in magazines, on TV. I'm the one they looking at now. I'm the one they talking about now. I'm the one they talking about now. I'm the one they talking about. Mama said, baby, you go far. And here I am, a rising star. Bought her a house, paid off her bills, made good on all my childhood thrills. I told her I'd take care of her, and I meant every word. She sacrificed so much for me, now it's my turn, you'll see. I remember when she worked 2 jobs just to keep us from the mobs of bill collectors at the door. She always gave a little more than she had, and she could, and any mother ever should. Now she resting, now she's free, thanks to the man I've come to be. Designer everything, look at me now. Remember when they said I'd never make it out. Designer dreams, designer life. Turn all my struggle into strides. I'm living what I used to see in magazines, on TV. I'm the one they looking at now. I'm the one they looking at now. I'm the one they looking at now. I'm the one they talking about. But success ain't just the clothes, it's the peace of mind that grows. Knowing I did it my way every single day. It's the ability to help the ones who help me build myself. It's the freedom to be me, completely and totally. I'm the one they talking about. Designer life, yeah. I earn every stitch, every single thread. Not just on my back, but in my head. I made it, I really made it, yeah.
I walk in the room and they notice, got that something that's so precious. I don't even have to try to make them look me in the eye. It's not arrogance, not conceit, it's just the way I move my feet through this world, through this life. Cutting through the strife, I'm smooth, I'm cool. I play by my own rules. I've learned the game, I know the moves. I've got nothing left to prove. I've been around, I've seen it all. I've climbed and I've taken the fall, and I'm still standing, still commanding, still understanding. Smooth operator, that's my name. Playing this love game, operator, can't be tamed. But for you I might just smooth operator, change my game. For you I might just settle down. For you I might just stop running around. Cause something about you feels different. Something about you feels consistent. I've had my share of broken hearts, played my part in all the arts of love and loss and everything, of the joy that loving brings. I've been the heartbreaker and the broken. I've had my words unspoken. I've loved and lost and loved again. I've been the lover and the friend. But you're different, can't you see? You get under my skin, you get to me in a way that no one has. You've That's my name, playing this love game. Operator. Can't be tamed, but for you I might just smooth operator. Change my game. For you I might just settle down. For you I might just stop running around. Cause something about you feels different. Something about you feels consistent. Maybe it's time to settle down. Stop running all around town. If you're the one I've waited for, I ain't smooth no more. I'm just a man in love, sent from somewhere up above, ready to be called, ready to give it all I've got. Smooth operator. Maybe not anymore. Smooth operator. For you I change it all for you. Smooth operator. That used to be me. Now I'm just yours completely.
No words, just us. Let your body tell me everything. We don't need to say a thing, not a single sound. Your body's already told me everything I need to know right now. The way you move, the way you breathe, the way your fingers trace patterns on my skin that I can't replace. So let your hands do the talking. Let your hips keep on walking towards me, into me. All of you I need. Your body's the only book I wanna read. Body talk, let it say what you want. Don't hold back, don't be shy, just flaunt. Body talk, let your feelings unlock. I'm listening tonight, I'm watching every move you make. Watching every move you make. Living, watching every move you make. Living, watching every move you make. Every touch is a sentence, every kiss is a paragraph. And we're writing a whole novel with every single laugh. Every sigh is a chapter, every moan is a page in the story of our love. We're setting the stage. Some conversations need no words to be profound. Some feelings are best when they're just felt, not sound. So keep moving, keep showing, keep letting me see everything that you want, everything you need from me. Body talk, let it say what you want. Don't hold back, don't be shy, just follow. Body talk, let your feelings unlock. I'm listening tonight, I'm watching every move you make. But I'm watching every move you make. But I'm watching every move you make. I'm watching every move you make. And when we're done, we'll start a new chapter. Your body talking, mine answering after. The only language that needs no translation is the conversation of our bodies' communication. Keep talking, I'm listening. Don't stop. Ooh, we're deep in my favorite song. Saw you on the street today, and I didn't know what to say. You look right through me like a ghost, the one you love the most. Your eyes met mine for just a second, and looked away as if you reckoned that I wasn't worth the time, that I wasn't worth the time. How did we get here from there? How did we stop caring? How did we go from lovers to strangers, from fire to dangers? How did we lose it all? How did we take the fall? From everything and nothing, from warm to cold and bluffing. Now we're strangers, you and me, just a distant memory. Strangers passing in the night. No more love, no more fight. Strangers with a history of what we used to be. Strangers now, strangers somehow. I know your face, I know your name, but nothing's ever quite the same. You're someone I used to know from a long time ago. I know your birthday, your middle name, I know your hopes, I know your dreams, but none of that matters now. We've forgotten how we used to share a bed, we used to share our bread, we used to share our souls, we used to share our goals. Now we share nothing at all, just a distant fading call of what we used to be, of you and me. Now we're strangers, you and me, just a distant memory. Strangers passing in the night. No more love, no more fight. Strangers with a history of what we used to be. Strangers now. That's just how it goes. Some loves come to a close and leave you with nothing but memories of something that once was beautiful, that once was bountiful, but now it's just a ghost of what we love the most. Stranger, that's what we are now, just strangers with memories. Strangers passing through each other's lives like we never knew. I saw you looking at me from across the room, and I've been hoping you'll come over soon. But you just standing there playing it cool. But don't you know I ain't nobody's fool? I can see you wanna talk, I can see you wanna walk over here and make a move, but you got something to prove. So pick up your phone and type my name. Baby, this ain't no game. You got my number, you got the green light. Don't wait until tomorrow night. The ball's in your court, the stage is set. Ain't no need to fret, just hit and let it begin. Let's see where we could be. Text me, tell me what you wanna do. Text me, I've been thinking about you too. Don't be shy, just hit send. Let this conversation begin. Text me, I'm waiting on my phone. Text me, I don't wanna be alone. Text me, tell me all your dreams. Text me, nothing's as extreme. I could come over, we could watch a movie, or we could talk about something groovy. Doesn't matter what we do, long as I'm with you. We could order takeout food, we could get in the mood for whatever feels right, for whatever ignites. Technology made it easy, what we're feeling. So why you keep it secrets? Just text me, baby, please. Don't overthink, don't hesitate. Don't let this moment dissipate into the fast into something that couldn't last. Text me, tell me what you wanna do. Text me, I've been thinking about you too. Don't be shy to just hit send. Let this conversation begin. Text me, I'll be on my phone. Text me, I don't wanna be alone. Text me, tell me all your dreams. Text me, nothing's as it seems. My phone's in my hand, right here where I stand, waiting for your name to appear, waiting for you to make it clear that you want me to, that you feel it too. So what you waiting for? Just open that door. Text me. My phone's in my hand. My phone's in my hand. My phone's in my. Text me. My phone's in my hand. Tell you where I stand. Text me. I'm waiting.
I've been practicing this moment, but now you're here, and I forget everything. Whoa, whoa. I've been practicing this moment in my head 1,000 times, rehearsing every word, every gesture, every line. But now you're standing right before me, looking like a dream, and I forget everything I'd planned, or so it seems. But then I look into your eyes, those eyes I've known so long, and I realize the perfect words come when I'm not trying to be strong, when I just speak from my heart, let my feelings guide the way. That's when I know exactly what I need to say. So here I am, down on one knee, asking you to marry me. I don't have much, but what I have is a love that's gonna last. Will you take my hand and be my wife? Start our future, change my life. Every moment led to this, every laugh and every tear, every late night conversation, every hope and every fear, built a road that brought me here, to this very spot, where I asked the question that means everything I've got. I remember our first date, how nervous I had been. I remember thinking this is where my life begins, and I was right, because from then my world made sense. You're the answer to a prayer I've been praying ever since. So here I am, down on one knee, asking you to marry me, asking you to marry me. I don't have much, but what I have is a love that's gonna last. Will you take my hand and be
said yes.
Deep breath.
I'm the luckiest man alive.
I promise to love you forever and ever. They kiss.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh. I searched my whole life for you. Didn't know what I was supposed to do, but then you walked into my world, and my whole life unfurled like a flower in the sun, like a race finally won. Everything made sense, everything felt immense. Like two pieces of a puzzle we fit without a struggle, like two notes in a chord, like two beats in a chord. We were meant to be together through any kind of weather. That's how I knew, that's how I knew. You're my soulmate, the other half of me, the one I was always meant to be with through every lifetime and space. You're my soulmate, my saving grace, the one who knows me best, the one who gives me rest. We finish each other's sentences, share the same preferences. It's like we've known each other before in some past life, I'm sure. We have the same weird humor, the same peculiar aroma of tastes and likes and dislikes on all the same bikes. Some people search forever for that special tether that binds two souls. There's one that makes the race be run, but I found you so easily. You came to me so freely, like the universe conspired, like my heart had been fired. You're my soulmate, the half of me, the one I was always meant to be with through every lifetime and space. You're my soulmate, saving grace, the one who knows me best, one who gives me rest. Some people don't believe in fate, they say it's far too late for fairy tales and dreams, for impossible schemes. But you showed up right on day to prove that love is great. And this is how we heal, this is how we feel. Soulmate, I found you at last, my other half, my other half, my soulmate, forever in this life and the next. Soulmate. I remember the first time I saw you like it was yesterday. Didn't know what I was getting into, didn't have words to say, but something in my heart just shifted. Something in my chest told me that my whole world was about to be blessed. It wasn't just your smile, though that could light the dark. It was a way, though they left their mark. It was a way you looked at me like I was the only one. In a crowded room, you made me feel like the sun. From the first sight, I knew there was something special about you. From that moment, my heart grew, and now I can't imagine life without you. First sight, first love, first moment I let my feelings show. takes time, it grows like a flower slow. But with you, it was instant, like the universe said go. Everything just fell in line, the stars, the moon, the sun. Like everything in history was pointing to this one. I used to roll my eyes, that love at first sight claim. Thought it was just a fairy tale, just silly little game. Then you walked in and proved me wrong in every single way. Now I'm the one believing in the magic of the day. First sight, I knew there was something special about you. From that moment my heart grew, and now I can't imagine life without you. First sight, first love, first moment I let my feelings show. And now here we are, years down the line. That first sight feeling still blows my mind. Every time I see you walk through the door, I fall in love a little bit more. First sight started our whole life. First sight, my husband, my love of my life. First sight started our whole life. First sight.
The world is watching all the time, got cameras rolling in their mind. Every move we make it seem nothing's ever what it seems. They judge our love, they judge our life. They cut us with their verbal knife. They don't know what we share. They don't know how much we care. But when we're alone tonight, everything will be alright. When we close the door and lock the world away, when we finally get to say everything we need to say, without eyes upon us, without anyone to discuss us. I just want some privacy, you and me, naturally. No cameras, no likes, no streams, just us living out our dreams. Privacy is all I need to love you properly, to hold you close, to be the most, to give you all of me. They don't understand our love, they judge from up above, but they don't know what we share, the way we touch, the way we care. They see the surface, not the deep. They see the promises we keep, but they don't see the sacrifice. They don't see the paradise. So let's disappear tonight, vanish from the spotlight. Find a place where we can be completely and totally free from the noise, from the crowd, from everything too loud. Just the sound of our hearts beating, just a feeling of meeting. I just want some privacy, you and me, naturally. No cameras, no likes, no streams, just us living out our dreams. Privacy is all I need to love you properly, to hold you close, to be the most, to give you love of me. In a world that's always watching, always touching, always watching what is sacred, what is true. I just wanna be with you, away from all the eyes, away from all the lies. Just us, just love, just enough. Just us, nobody else. Privacy, finally. Just you, just me, forever in this moment. Silence.
everything feels fine. Your arms wrapped around my waist, pulling me in close. This is what they write about in poems and in prose. No rush, nowhere we need to be today. Just you, just love, just breathing in the same space. The world outside can wait, the calls can go to voicemail. Right here is where I wanna be. Right here is my holy grail. Sunday morning with you, coffee and conversations, nothing else to do. Sunday morning, so true, just lying here, me and you, watching the day unfold so slow. This is all I need to know. We talk about nothing and everything under the sun. Laugh at stupid jokes that we've told a million times for fun. You kiss my forehead, I kiss your chin. We fall into a rhythm that only comes when you're with someone long enough to be with.